Hi, welcome to Auntie Nat's Crochet. Thank you for choosing this video. Allow me to teach you how to play with yarn. Do subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is at this corner of the video. It will mean the world to me. And do check out my other videos too. They are all as informative and fun to learn as this video. And today I'm gonna make daisy. This daisy it comes in 3 sizes, and I'm using 3-ply cotton yarn. So when I say 3-ply, it means that this yarn actually they have 3 strands of kind of like thread, curl it together and become a 3-ply yarn. So sometimes you will have 5-ply yarn, 8-ply yarn. So this time now I'm using 3-ply yarn so that the flowers will come up smaller, nicer, not so thick, not like the 5-ply yarn. And I'll be using a 2.5 mm hook. So all the flowers I'm going to use yellow as the core. You can use dark brown, light brown. I'm going to use yellow as the core and purple and red as the petal. Okay, now let's start. Okay, I'm gonna start by making the core of the flower, or the middle part, which is yellow in color. So I'm gonna start off with a magic circle. You curl the yarn around your 2 fingers, make a cross, send to the back. Or if you have any other better way than this, go ahead. So for the biggest flower, I'm going to do 12 single crochet into the magic circle. If you're going to do the medium flower, you do 10 single crochet. And for the small flower, I did 8 single crochet. So for tutorial sake, I'm going to do the big flower. I'm going to do 12 single crochet. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I have 12, so the core will be slightly bigger. And you just go to the first stitch and do a slip stitch. And then normally I'll chain 1, pull tight. And I'll just cut the yarn. And I'm going to use a needle to hide all this behind here. Hide it nicely. Same goes for this part here. Since this one starts from here, we can always go this side. Because this is not a tapestry needle, so the hole is not as big. And once you get all the yarn over, You just put through. Oops. And just cut the yarn. And you will have a tiny core of the flower. So this is 12 single crochet into the magic circle. So this is this size. So you're going to do 10 single crochet for the medium flower and 8 single crochet for the small flower. Okay, now I'm going to work on the petal. I'm going to use purple. So if it's a big flower, the purple, the petal, I'm going to chain 10. If it's a medium flower, I'm going to chain 8. And if it's a small flower, I'm going to chain 6. So up to you whether you, if you didn't catch the number, you can go to my blog. I will share the description, my blog, in the description box below. So here you just grab the yarn and start to chain 10. Because this is a big flower, there are 12 single crochet here, so I'm going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after 10, you go to the next stitch. This is the first stitch here. You go to the next stitch. Make sure you bring this along and do a slip stitch. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, go to the next stitch and do a slip stitch. And you're going to continue like this until you come back here, and you will get something like this. And again, you use a needle to hide the tail all around this part here. So when you do this, you can actually, when you want to join it together, when you're making one of these, you just hook it onto here. Hook it onto this loop here, and you continue to crochet, and this will be joined to this. Same goes for here. So you can actually turn this into an earring, a long earring like this. It looks nice. A daisy earring, a long one. Or you can add a pearl in between here. You just poke a pearl earring in here, and you will have a daisy around your pearl. Or you can make into bags. I plan to sew this onto a bag, and you can, there's two ways of doing it. You can actually spread it out and sew it onto your bag like this. Spread it up so it's flat. But now I plan to do this, which means when I sew it onto the bag, I only sew this part. I'll leave this part on top. And the next petal, next flower, I'm going to do this way. So the bag will see a lot of 3D flowers like this. So you're going to pop up. And same goes for here, and here, and here. So you're gonna look like this. So there's so many ways you can play around with it. So do stay tuned. Watch out for my wallet. No, actually it's just a small coin purse with a case lock, and I'm gonna sew all this on top of it. So thank you for watching. Thank you for choosing this tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next post.